How to change email on Reddit account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Reddit application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon from the top right of your screen and further tap on the settings option you see there. Now, under the Account Settings tab, tap on your username. You will then see the Update Email option, tap on that. You will then see the New Email Address text box, so go ahead and enter the email address that you want to change your Reddit email address to, and further, enter your Reddit account's password. Once entered, tap on the Save button and you will further be required to verify your email by opening your mailbox. Once verified, your email will be changed successfully. So, this is how you can change email on Reddit account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.